Hello guys, today we will see how to interface SIM800L GSM/GPRS module with Arduino. This is 2G module. This is cheapest GSM module available in market. At last, we will also see how to control any appliance by sending SMS. So let's get started. First of all, upload this code to Arduino to communicate with SIM800L by serial monitor. Connect Arduino Uno to laptop and select correct board and correct COM port. Then click on upload button. We will send AT command to GSM module to get some information. And you can see code has been uploaded. Now we will make all connection on breadboard according to schematic diagram. You will find diagram, all codes and AT commands in description. I am using voltage divider which is convert 5 volt to 3.3 volt logic level in RX connection. As you can see, I will supply 4.1 volt to GSM module separately, which is necessary. Now let me insert micro SIM card. This module may be draw 2 amps during transmission burst for very small amount of time. Do not forget to connect ground pin of Arduino with GSM module. Now let us powering up this module. You can see LED blinks every second. That means module is running but hasn't connection to cellular network. Once it starts blinking every 3 seconds, it connected to cellular network. If blinking every 2 seconds, it makes successfully GPRS data connection. We will see GPRS data connection later. Now let's come to the computer screen and open the serial monitor. Simply type AT and send it. You will get response OK. That means module works OK. Now send ATI command. This will display product information. AT plus GMI for manufacturer identification. AT plus GSN for IMEI number. AT plus GMR for identification of software release. AT plus CSQ for checking network signal strength, which is between 0 to 31. 31 is the best. Here you can see signal quality is not very good. You can add external antenna for better signal. Now let us see example code for sending SMS from Arduino. Add your country code in place of CC and then add your mobile number in place of XXXX. Here add the text you want to send. After adding mobile number, I upload this program to Arduino and here you can see I got the message from Arduino. Now let us see how to control any appliance by sending SMS. You will easily understand the program by reading the comments. Upload this program to Arduino and make all connection according to diagram. You will find diagram in description. I will send on message to the SIM card which is inside the module. As you can see, message is arrived and light is on. Now let us send off. And light is turned off. Instead of light, you can use relay module and you can able to control anything by sending SMS. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then subscribe now and share with your friends.